So I think that will do. It's kind of a high spot right where that ends. The water should come down and run right under here, and it can go underneath the building because this building is up on blocks and water can run underneath it and come out the back there. I'm gonna take all this dirt out back and drop it on the little road that heads out back to where my sheds are gonna be, and I will spare y'all making that trip with me. But I'll come back in a little while, maybe bring a tractor with a bucket of gravel in it too. We'll see. Bill's supposed to be coming back today. I expect he might come over in a day or two and do some work on his Studebaker, so that'll give us something to look forward to. See y'all in a bit. So this is how we dump it. Oh, I can go deeper than that, I do believe. Probably do a better job if I wasn't worried about y'all folks. That's enough though. Take that up there and dump it. Come back for some more. I'll set y'all on the ground next time. I'm trying to get it where y'all get a good angle and see what I'm doing. Maybe I need to mount a camera stand over here, or maybe a magnetic one would be good. We'll see. I don't know if I said it today, but I love my tractor. I'm sitting you over here again. I'm trying to find a good place where you can see what I'm doing. That was a good dump. Let's go get another bucket full. I got a piece of mud I want to try to scoop up here without scooping up too many rocks. See that on the other thread. Do a little grading work right here. You see that muddy spot? I'd like to rake the rock right back over that mud. And I'd like to pick up that little bit there. I think what I'm going to do is sit y'all down. Try to get you at a place where you can kind of watch me do that. So I still got a lot of gravel there, and once I get through, I can smooth this down. Should be good. Let's go dump this a little bit. It still ain't a big load. I've gotten a lot bigger load here, but I was trying to not go so deep and dig up the mud, so we can do it that way. Drag some of this dirt right here, and it ain't that much. Maybe if I let the bucket drag. Let's see how that does. I'll go ahead and drag it over these mud balls too. Kind of pack them down, maybe. Oh yeah, that helps. I think I'm gonna set y'all down because I'd like to have both hands, one on the lever, one on the wheel. Try to get a good sized scoop this time. I think that worked pretty good of kind of smushing down the mud balls. That's pulling away some of that dirt there. Smoothing this back out with the back of the blade. I thought I had a pretty good sized scoop here, but it doesn't look as big from here as it did from up there. Still, it might be the last one I need up on the hill there. We'll see. Instead of carrying y'all around, I'm gonna sit you over here on the hood of, well, I started saying on the hood of this thing, but this thing ain't got no hood. I'll sit you over here and just go down and pick me up a load and come back and dump it. That was been a little deeper than I wanted to do. Back. So I'm loving this day. It's nice and warm. My neighbor's going to buy a new pontoon boat tomorrow. I'm going to go with him. Brand new one. I'm going to be excited. Oh, the door. I bumped the nose one time. Bit felt. I'll put a little bit of a couple buckets full right here. In fact, what I'll do is, I think I can set y'all down over here. You can watch me there. There's a spot or two here could use some more. So I just set y'all here. Drop a couple of buckets full right there.